If you love real heavy machinery, hit subscribe and turn on notifications right now, because the further we go down this list, the more insane and dangerous it gets. Let's dive in. An excavator is working dangerously close to the edge of a quarry. Everything seems normal at first, but as soon as the bucket reaches too far forward, the machine's center of gravity shifts. The ground beneath the tracks suddenly gives way. The excavator tilts violently and flips over, tumbling down the slope. The scariest part? The entire incident happens in just a few seconds. With dozens of tons of weight, once it loses balance, there's almost no chance for the operator to recover. This is exactly why working near cliff edges is considered one of the most dangerous jobs for heavy excavators. In warehouses and factories, forklifts are everyday machines. But when a load is lifted too high and the driver makes a sharp turn, the center of gravity shifts dangerously. In a split second, the entire forklift tips over. What surprises most people is how these relatively small machines can cause such serious accidents. One wrong steering decision can send both the forklift and its cargo crashing to the concrete floor. High-power tractors are often used to pull extremely heavy farm implements. But if the hitch point is wrong or the load exceeds the limit, the pulling force can lift the front of the tractor completely off the ground. In many cases, the tractor rears up almost vertically before flipping over backward. This is one of the most dangerous accidents in agriculture because the operator has almost no time to react. These massive rock crushers can pulverize thousands of tons of material every day. But when an oversized rock or metal object gets stuck inside, the pressure builds up rapidly. Suddenly, rocks and metal fragments are ejected at high speed. The sight of dust and debris flying everywhere shows how one small mistake can turn a modern mining operation into a deadly hazard. During harvest season, high temperatures and dry crop residue create perfect conditions for fire. A single spark from the engine or electrical system is enough to ignite the machine. In many real videos, within minutes, a machine worth hundreds of thousands of dollars is completely engulfed in flames. Even worse, the fire can quickly spread across the entire field. If you still can't decide which moment is the most dangerous, drop your pick in the comments below. The next ones are going to be much more terrifying. A bulldozer working on a steep embankment suddenly starts sliding. Despite trying to steer and brake, the machine's enormous weight and slippery ground make it unstoppable. It slides down the slope like an out-of-control iron monster. Strong gusts of wind suddenly hit while the crane is lifting a heavy load. The tall structure begins shaking violently. The operator tries to lower the load in an emergency, but the wind is too powerful. The crane loses balance and collapses like a falling skyscraper. A fully loaded mining truck is racing down a steep hill when the brakes suddenly fail. With hundreds of tons of weight, the truck picks up terrifying speed. The driver's only hope is to try to control the direction and reach a runaway escape ramp, one of the most tense moments in mining. While working near soft ground, the excavator suddenly breaks through and starts sinking rapidly into deep mud. The machine, weighing dozens of tons, is swallowed almost completely. The operator barely manages to jump out in time. A giant wood chipper is operating when a piece of metal or rock hidden in the logs is shot out like a bullet at extreme speed. Flying debris threatens the lives of everyone nearby. A stark reminder that even the most modern machines can become extremely dangerous because of one foreign object. When the drill strikes a high-pressure gas pocket underground, a violent explosion occurs. A massive blast of gas and rock erupts, throwing the drill rig and operators backward. These incidents often cause major damage and injuries. A massive haul truck loaded with ore smashes into a working excavator. The tremendous impact shakes both enormous machines, proof that even the biggest machines can be destroyed in a single moment of carelessness. A crane is attempting to lift a load beyond its capacity. The cables tighten to the limit, the boom shakes violently, and then the entire crane comes crashing down. The sight of a machine, tens of meters tall, collapsing is one of the most terrifying images in construction. Nothing is more terrifying than a mining truck weighing hundreds of tons racing down a steep slope with completely failed brakes. Its enormous mass turns it into an unstoppable force of destruction. Every meter it travels increases the chance of a catastrophic collision. This is why modern mines build special runaway escape ramps. Just watching a giant machine completely out of control, barreling downhill makes you understand why this is considered the ultimate nightmare in the mining industry. Out of these 15 moments today, which one shocked you the most? Comment your favorite number below. What do you want to see in the next video? Excavator accidents, mining truck disasters, giant crane failures, or tunnel boring machines? Drop your suggestions in the comments, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss videos about the biggest, strongest, and most dangerous machines in the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.